Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the sound and opening clock because the alarm uses system sources only. Once done, tap Alarm and choose Plus to create or edit an existing alarm. This gets you immediately to the alarm settings. Make sure the sound file is accessible in Files, in your music library, or already installed as a ringtone, since the sound picker pulls from those locations. This first step avoids wasted navigation and gets you straight to the sound option, where you now tap Sound to open the list of built-in tones and the option to pick a song. This is where the actual assignment happens. When you choose Pick a Song, browse your music library or files and select the exact track. Use the search field to find titles faster. Preview options by tapping a tone or track so you hear how loud and clear it will be. Make sure to look for the check mark to confirm the selection. Once you confirm the sound, you're ready to finalize the alarm. You finish by tapping Save to apply the new sound, then test the alarm immediately with a short time to confirm it plays. If the custom song doesn't appear, make sure it's synced from your computer, stored in files, or converted and installed as a ringtone. M4R, iOS won't use unsupported formats. Also check your ringer volume, silent switch, and do not disturb so the alarm isn't muted. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck the sound picker. This resolves most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.